A good cadmium orange is one of the hardest colors to find. I've been looking at cadmium orange paints recently because I wanted to have something that was a brighter alternative to burnt sienna. A lot of painters will use burnt sienna with ultramarine because it makes a neutral, but I do a lot of high-key color painting and I needed something with a little bit more fire, a little bit more punch. So I wanted a cadmium orange instead that would blend well with ultramarine. And this color right here is Winsor Newton's cadmium orange. You'll notice that it has a very yellowish undertone. It's the same color as this right here, and usually Winsor Newton stuff is pretty good, but I really didn't like this color. It has a glow to it, but when you look at it, it's really not that bright. It's kind of earthy, and it doesn't have anywhere near the fire that this color does. This is genuine cadmium orange right there. And part of the problem is that this is a mix of cadmium red and cadmium yellow, so it creates that strong yellow undertone that we see over here. And when I mix it with ultramarine, right here, it creates a very deep green, and that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for more something like this. The scale that I've whipped up over here between cadmium orange and ultramarine is more along the lines of what I wanted, and I got it from Gram's cadmium orange, which is PO20, that is genuine cadmium orange. It's kind of hard to see between the two wells on camera, but this is the Gram paint right here, and in person looks way brighter than this one does, probably because it's the genuine cadmium orange pigment, right? I've been doing some experiments with cadmium orange oil paint too, trying to find the right one for me. This one is a Permalba paint that is apparently a cadmium red because it has the cadmium red pigment coat on there, but very obviously it's very orange. And then this one is the Winsor & Newton paint. This has cadmium orange with a little cadmium red in it. And the mixtures are not that different, honestly. They look pretty similar. Over here are acrylic mixtures with Winsor & Newton's ultramarine and Gram's cadmium orange, and again, the mixtures don't look that different from what we see over here. The Winsor & Newton color is okay. It mixes well, but it is a little bit duller than the other cadmium colors. On the side, it says cadmium sulfoselenide. I probably butchered that. And then cadmium orange and cadmium red are the ingredients. So they cut the cadmium orange with a little cadmium red for whatever reason. And the Permalba cadmium orange I have is actually a really outstanding middle orange color, but the coat on this is cadmium red. And the coat on the Gram acrylic is PO20, so that's cadmium orange. But the hue on these is almost identical, and they're both identified by the same chemical name, cadmium selenosulfide. So I'm not sure that the call number really matters all that much on the side of the tube, because at the end of the day, cadmium orange is cadmium sulfide with selenium added to it, and the amount of selenium in the chemistry is going to dictate whether it's an orange or a red. Funny enough, Permalba also had a cadmium yellow deep that has cadmium red color in it. And if you open it up, it is a very bright yellowish orange, but this is more of like a cadmium orange light than it is a cadmium yellow in any way. But just to complicate things even more, here's a cadmium orange from Classico that is pure cadmium sulfide. That's a cadmium yellow call number. Sure enough, deep cadmium yellow in the tube. Doesn't make for much of a cadmium orange, but man, this is a really good deep cadmium yellow. Honestly, I've always liked Classico cadmiums. Maybe I should take another look at them. But definitely not if I want a real orange color. So you guys see my dilemma? It's really hard to find a good, pure cadmium orange out there. Very bright, very pure. It seems like my best options are to just get Gram's cadmium orange in watercolor and Gamblin's cadmium orange in oil paint, and that should do the trick. Because you see what these other brands are doing, guys? They're mixing colors all willy-nilly. And Winsor & Newton is usually a pretty good brand for cadmium colors, but their cadmium orange kind of sucks. I've got a lot of this Permalba cadmium orange. It's really good, but Permalba's colors got canceled a while ago, so once this is gone, it's gone.